Alright, here's where a bad case of mechanical dumbass comes in. The swing arm is free of all encumbrances except for whatever's holding it onto the axle. Come on, baby. Come off there. I just wasn't holding my mouth right. I had to wiggle it a little. It finally came off. There's this nice big spacer here that goes back in there. It fits pretty tight. This goes next. Then le nut. Woohoo! By the way, for future reference, the axle nut is 24 millimeters. All right, here we are. Wheel removed. Looky, looky, here comes Cookie. Okay, here's what you need to do this job of changing the tire, or getting the wheel off anyway. You need a 3/8 inch drive ratchet. A 3-inch extension is also helpful. This will be for your 12 and 14 millimeter bolts. The 12 millimeter are on the exhaust, the 14 are on the swing arm, and I believe those were 12s that held the muffler shield on. If you want to take that off, you don't have to. Then I also recommend at least a 1/2 inch drive, no extension, and a 24 millimeter socket. That's to bust loose the axle nut. Really all that's needed is a little foot pressure and hold on to the rear brake to keep the wheel from turning. You should be able to break it loose fairly easily with your foot. Take it off, no problemo. And now we take you to Tire World. Ooh, look at those brake pads. Damn, I probably should have thought of that before I did this. Oh well, next time. You're also going to need a genuine Honda exhaust gasket. These cost about, I don't know, they're less than 50 cents a piece, but actually any scooter gasket will work, exhaust gasket. Okay, Wanda, hell yeah! Look at that, isn't that a gorgeous new tire? Yes! Professionally done by Tire World. Got the swing arm back on, the axle is tight. The only thing that it lacks now is putting the muffler back on, but I just wanted to show you that if you ever want to check the oil, now's a damn good time to do it, okay? You don't have a hot muffler in your way, and you can actually get human-sized fingers in there instead of Japanese child-sized fingers. Upon completion of the project, as your attorney, I must recommend that you drink one adult beverage, if not several. You deserve it. A job well done. One thing that you want to avoid is rolling over on your $15 sunglasses, as I completely ruined them, scraping one lens against the concrete, popping one completely out. So, cheers. Be good.